Hello everyone, this is Susie Reed here, and I am showing you how to report your lunch count numbers on a spreadsheet. And here I've got the home page for East Middle School. And if you scroll down from the side shortcuts, you do see the daily lunch count. You will click on that link and it should open up an Excel spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet that's different from a Google spreadsheet because certain cells can be locked. Now when it opens up, it may open with the word view over here. And you also want to see if you're logged in. Now I've made this so you don't have to, but teachers, you really should be logged into your account. So if you're not, this is your Microsoft account. You should probably log in. It allows the cafeteria to really see who is putting in the numbers. Also, substitute teachers can just do it as a guest contributor. So you'll see a little icon pop up with a GC. So to edit, you will need to click on this button and click editing, or make sure it comes up in that format. You don't need, and please don't open it in the desktop app. And let me move this out of the way. If you look at teacher directions, it shows you, and I have edit anyway, but it's kind of changed, so you just click edit up there like I showed you, and then it got some little directions and what to do if students are late each day. So you want to read your directions. Okay, on the bottom there are tabs for each week, and I'm going to the week of March the 8th, and I'm looking here. On your computers, if you use two fingers on your tracking pad, you can scroll up and down and over, or you can use the little arrows. So you can get directly to your name. You can scroll up to get to your name. Let's say I'm going to Thursday and I'll miss high. And you can go right there and then put in your numbers. And then after you put the number in, either tab off, click off of it, or tab over, and you'll see it totals it by grade and totals all the way across. So I hope this helps you. When you're done, I'm going to take that 4 off. When you're finished, please just click out, and that's it. And you're done for the day.